How to make an emoji follow your face in CapCut PC. First, open your CapCut and import your video. Now go to the text option and select the default text. Now expand it to match the duration of the video. Then remove the default text and add an emoji here. Press Windows plus dot on the keyboard to open the emoji bar and select any emoji from here. I am going to select this one. Now put it over here and adjust it to cover the face properly. Now to track the emoji, we have to add some keyframes. Simply go to the right side of the screen and from this basic tab, you can find transform. Select this keyframe and it will add into the timeline. Now simply move the emoji according to the face from the video and CapCut will be adding keyframes as we go like this. Move it till to the end. And after it's done, it should be look like this. So that's how you can make an emoji follow your face in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.